In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best advanced auto parts promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for advanced auto parts promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we have at least three different types of promo codes that we can use. And for example, if you want to get this one at 20% off, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and this is the discount code. If you're going to copy and apply this code on your next purchase, you should be able to get this discount right here. Also, we have another website that I recommend you to use, which is simplycodes.com, which also provides us with different type of promo codes that we can use. And for example, if you want to get this one right here with the highest discount, all you have to do is select use code, and this is the promo code that you can use. Simply select copy code right here and use it on the next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.